AP Genco is able to supply only 45%. If I am wrong, I may be corrected. 45% of the total power consumption of the state, and the AP Transco are drawing 55% of the supply from other sources, including central generating stations, private power producers, and non-conventional energy sources. So the AP state installed capacity and the actual generation, sir, the thermal AP Genco, sir, installed capacity is 7292, and they are generating as on 25th March was 94.37 million units. AP Hydel Genco 4199 megawatt, and then generation in million units is 15.00. Share in capital, share in central plants 3515 is the real installed capacity. Then the generation is 104.59. Independent power plant 2564 installed, and generation is 17.61. Non-conventional and others 1885, and they are generating 11.97. The total installed capacity 19,455, and their generation is 243.54 million units. The sources for the power supply on March 25th, for instance, included 109.37 million units from AP Genco, 104.59 million units from central generating stations, and 17.61 million units from private power producers, and 11.97 units from other sources. So the main source of power generation and supply in the state are thermal, hydel, and gas-based power stations. All these three sources are beset with problems. Thermal generation is affected due to fluctuations in coal supply. Hydel generation is seriously hampered due to lower water availability in major reservoirs such as Srisalam and Nagarjuna, Sagar and Siluru. The reduced gas supply from Krishna Godavari basin has severely affected gas-based power generation. So there is idle capacity of 2,760 megawatt, 20 million units per day, due to reduced supply of gas from KG basin, as the Chief Minister admitted in the note circulated to us. In this scenario, it will be Herculean task for the state to meet the increased power demand during the peak summer months, April and May, before the onset of monsoon in mid-July. The problem is bound to get more worse because the state cannot purchase or draw more power from other states. Central power station, because of transmission constraint and drawing power from the northeast and west grid on the southern grid, as pointed out by Chief Minister, other southern states are also facing worsening power situation and cannot hope to purchase more power from them.